The Linc Group is a $300 million a year, 2,500 person company that provides building trade services to multiple buildings in different verticals. We handle everything from ballparks to hospitals, federal government properties to commercial properties, airports and logistics businesses across the country. There just aren't enough competent, qualified people in our industries to do the work, and therefore we have to be able to compel outcomes at the point of service. The goal for us was to have an end-to-end solution to create visibility into all the metrics that we track and be able to present those to the local management so that they could better manage their labor force. So we needed something that would not only scale out but scale up, and Microsoft looked like it provided the best solution set for us.
When we decided to go with Microsoft Dynamics, we were originally deploying or starting to implement Microsoft Dynamics AX 3.0. But when we looked at 3.0 and our partner Iteration 2 pulled us into the Technology Adoption Program, the TAP program, we were very excited. I'm third generation mechanical contractor, and my grandfather did work the exact same way that we're doing work today, and what a shame that is. We joined the TAP program so we could put our fingerprint of mechanical service into the core piece of the product, Dynamics AX. Many times, even in drop downs, when you look on a website, do you ever see mechanical contracting? No, you see everything else but us. So we had our opportunity to put a fingerprint on how the product was made at its core. When you look at the TAP program and what the Linc Group had to gain from being in such a program, we were very excited because in Microsoft Dynamics AX 4.0, we had the ability to tie into Active Directory, and it used SharePoint on the presentation layer for our portal. We had to have integration to Active Directory for our trustworthy computing environment. We had to have SQL as the back-end database. And we had to have SharePoint on the front end on the presentation layer. And so for us, Microsoft Dynamics AX 4.0 was a clear choice. Our environment is real simple. We have to do what we say we're going to do and be able to prove it. And how can you do that if you don't leverage technology so you can have visibility across the operation? Microsoft Dynamics AX creates a contract header, and then we use field services for Microsoft Dynamics AX to push the work order information wirelessly out to a Pocket PC device. There, the technician is compelled to do the right job, goes through his checklist, gets a customer to sign it, and it wirelessly comes back to Dynamics AX for either job costing or billing. It's a wonderful end-to-end solution.
If you're going to live in a disconnected world, you're going to put people in trucks and send them out to do their work. The only way that you can really drive productivity is have that visibility in real time, and that's what the Dynamics product's done for us. I think the Microsoft solution set puts us 2 to 3 years ahead of everybody else in our industry.
We'd like to also believe that Microsoft benefited from the Linc Group participating in the TAP program. We are the largest non-manufacturer related service company in the U.S., and so we'd like to believe that we're leading the charge and that others will follow.